Okay guys, welcome back. In the last episode we were just making, we started off, we got some achievements, and damn! Whew! Scared the shit out of me, man. Okay, let's just try to grab some, just make sure there's nothing around us. Okay, grab iron. Yeah, so we did a little, what's it called, staircase, and and then we just started strip mining. That is a witch. I thought that was just like a zombie or something with armor. This is what? Diamonds! 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 But I can't use them. I don't have any sticks. Damn. I've got no sticks. Let's just see what else is this way. Oh god, there's a witch behind me! Oh, I got a potion. Healing. Bam. Bam, bam. Bam. Come here. There's a lot of good stuff around here. I wanna go try to get to this lava. Probably do this first. Nothing down here? No, doesn't seem like it. Oh god. Oh yeah, there's some iron. Oh my god. Screw it. Place. There you go. Water is one. I've still got slowness. This is retarded. Bang, bang, bang. Bang. I like in mine. Okay. So I think I don't want to do this, but I think I might have to cheat in 2 sticks, or I might just have to go back to the surface. I don't want to. Well, sugar. Weird. Yeah, I've got nothing on me. Damn. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start cooking my iron and leave that down here. Grab this, start smelting all my iron. Stick a crafting table down. And then if I just go. Oh my god, this is annoying as shit. Duh, 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 duh. Okay, so there's one water source here. And there's another one here. What's up here, I wonder? Yep. Nothing. Oh! Parkour skills. Oh, is it done draining? Yeah, there we go. Oh, look, it's iron. Sweet. Take it. Yes, so gold there. Where is my staircase, though? Don't want to do a new one, because I don't know, end up in a random spot. But I still have trees. I'm just gonna grab this. I should probably cook my food. And just had a bat die. How sad. Oh, there it is. Almost died. It did die. Lol. It's the diamonds. Okay, yeah, okay. So I know I need to go this way. I'll leave one block like this. Damn, that's gonna be a lot of iron. I mean diamond. 2 creepers! 3 creepers! Oh, shit! Hi, sir. Be good, creeper, and stay away. No, I guess you creep on people, so you won't stay away, will you? Where to go now? I think it's this way? I'm not too sure. Hi, sleeping bat. Yeah, it's right here. I think I'm gonna cut until I get up to the surface and get back. And I'll let you guys know if anything happens. See you in a sec. Okay guys, I'm back and I've made it to the surface and got my iron pickaxe. Gonna just take this with me. I'm gonna take the furnace. And I'm gonna take this. Yeah, I actually think I'm gonna cut again until I find my way back. So I'll see you in a sec, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I've just started cooking my food. Got all my iron, so I'm just gonna... I actually haven't mined the diamonds yet. I wanted to just get some armor first. Okay, good. Sticks. Oh, I had sticks, duh. Sword. Gonna need an axe, because I'm gonna start building our house. Or my house, not our house. No. Just gonna craft the stone here. May need it, may not, I don't know. Go eat up all of this food. And then just go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 diamonds. I'm just gonna quickly mine around here because there's usually diamonds by lava. So let's just go around here. Go around here, see if there's anything. Then I'll go to the other side if there's nothing. I don't need redstone yet, but I'm just gonna grab it. Okay, just got some redstone there. Doesn't seem like there's gonna be anything around here. I'm gonna go over here, just mine through here, see if there's anything. Oh, diamonds. Ooh, more. 3. Is there any more? Any more? Nope. Okay. So. I'm kidding. I'm gonna give that back. Just give a.k.a. diamond underscore. I'll do it later. Too confusing. Actually, no. Give a.k.a. diamond underscore block, I think that is. Yep. So that's it. Go like this. Oh my god, I don't have any freaking sticks. Okay, guys, I'll see ya. I'm just gonna cut the video. Go up, come back, and then, I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, guys, I am back. I'm sitting in a corner because I was a douchebag. No, I wasn't. Yes, but, oh my god, pardon me. Yeah, so I've come back down. I've crafted myself a diamond pickaxe. Only 6 diamonds now, no sticks. Use them. I just grabbed the bit, and then I only needed one, so I just threw the rest out into the lava. So yeah, I'm just gonna mine up some obsidian, and I will see you guys in a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have 14 obsidian. I know that's a weird number, but it's because I have yeah. So a nether portal, 3 on both sides, which is 6, 2 on bottom and top, 4, and then 4 for an enchantment table. I will build the nether portal this episode, but I won't be going into the nether. Okay, got 1 block of gold already. Well, hasn't been smelted, but you know. Like, if you guys heard a man talking before, like before I paused, that was just my dad. He came in to say something. And I'm having yucky bacon and egg pies for dinner. Yeah, so it seems like this is gonna be the end of the video actually, so I won't be building in the nether portal. Oh, certificate zombies! Which means zombie villagers.